Looking for a budget-friendly, clean, and accessible place to stay near SM Batangas? Let me take you to RedDoorz at Yellowbell Country Inn, a simple yet comfortable option for travelers, families, and even those on a quick staycation. This inn is conveniently located just a few minutes away from SM City Batangas, making it a great stop if you're shopping, dining, or commuting nearby. It's also close to hospitals, convenience stores, and transportation hubs. Checking in was smooth and hassle-free. The staff were polite and accommodating. All you need is a valid ID and your booking confirmation, whether you book through the RedDoorz app or any partner platform. Now let's talk about the rooms, because this is what matters most when booking a stay. The rooms are neat and cozy, and you get all the essentials: air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, flat-screen TV with cable, clean sheets and linens, a private bathroom with a hot and cold shower, towels, free toiletries, and even bottled water in some rooms. There's daily housekeeping, a 24-hour front desk, and CCTV security for your peace of mind. Plus, free parking is available if you're bringing a car. And here's the best part. Room rates are super affordable. Standard rooms start at just around $900 to $1,500 per night, while deluxe or triple rooms range up to around $2,800 to $2,900 depending on the platform and season. While the place keeps it simple, it has everything you need for a short and comfortable stay. And since SM Batangas is just around the corner, food options, shopping, and entertainment are never a problem. For its price and location, RedDoorz at Yellowbell Country Inn is a practical choice if you're visiting Batangas for business, errands, or a quick getaway. It's clean, convenient, and budget-friendly. If you're planning a trip to Batangas and want a place to stay near the city center, definitely check this place out. Let me know in the comments if you've stayed here or have other budget-friendly hotel recommendations near SM Batangas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more local travel tips and staycation guides.